Toenail fungus is a common problem. It affects millions of people. This infection can be embarrassing. It can also be difficult to treat. Toenail fungus thrives in warm, moist environments. This makes your feet the perfect place for it to grow. The fungus gets under the nail. It feeds on the keratin in the nail. This causes the nail to thicken, discolor, and become brittle. Over-the-counter treatments often fail to penetrate the nail deeply enough. This means they can't reach the root of the problem. It's important to find a solution that addresses the source of the infection. Many people turn to home remedies for toenail fungus. These remedies might include vinegar soaks or tea tree oil. While these remedies can have some antifungal properties, they are often not potent enough to eliminate a stubborn infection. Home remedies also lack the scientific backing and rigorous testing of professionally developed solutions. This means that their effectiveness is inconsistent, and they may not work for everyone. Kerassentials is a revolutionary product specifically formulated to combat toenail fungus. Developed with a potent blend of natural ingredients, Kerassentials effectively targets the fungus at its source. The formula penetrates deep into the nail bed, eliminating the infection and promoting healthy nail growth. Unlike many other products, Kerassentials is backed by scientific research and development. It has been carefully crafted to ensure optimal strength and effectiveness. Kerassentials comes with a satisfaction guarantee. You can be confident in trying this product and experiencing its benefits. Don't let toenail fungus keep you from feeling your best. Visit nastytoenailfunk.com today to learn more. For a limited time, receive a special discount on a 180-day supply of Kerassentials. This is a great value. It will help you achieve the lasting results you deserve. Choose Kerassentials. Regain the health and appearance of your nails.